Hi there and welcome to my PvP clone world. I've built this world to allow multiple students to be able to make builds at the same time, and then for the teacher to be able to switch between these builds to either play a PvP, to look at what people have done, and yeah. And then I've set it up so that there's a structure block, so whatever's built can be exported as a 3D model. Look, I'm just going to show the basics of this world. You've probably been reading the sign that's in front of me there. And let's have a look. This will probably take a few minutes, but I'll show you how it works. Okay, when you enter the world for the first time, you'll notice that it's pretty blank, except for up here in the sky, where I've built like a sort of arena. And here, I've built the control area. Okay, so if we come in here, we're going to find some NPCs. Now, I need to break this, and if it's locked, which it probably should be, you might have had world builder on, and you would need to toggle that on or off. Okay, so come back. Right, in my NPCs, I have a reset command for the top and bottom levels, and then I have build commands. So all up, I've put in 10 different building stations for students. I'll just switch on number 1. So the first thing I'll do is right-click on my NPC. Look, world builder. Right-click on my NPC, and this is going to build the original model. Out we go. Okay, here's my original model over there. It's a 30 by 30 area. Okay. So I could build something in that now and then go and replicate it up in there. But I'll just get a couple more so that you can see how it works. So once build 1 is done, I can build 2, 3, 4, 5. And why stop there? Let's go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And now you can see that through the cloning function, it has built all these areas. Okay, and it will end up being 5 on the bottom, 5 on the top. It could be more. Okay, so these are the build areas for students to work in. I might just look. I'll just do some grass, eh? So whatever is built in here, I can then go and replicate. I'll just do some basic sort of stuff, and you can see how it's going. That is marvellous. I call this Dragon Spire 2 Homecoming. It's a game based on the Dragon Spire series, which was very popular back in the mid-19th century. Okay, there's my model. I've been working on it for ages. And then I'm going to go to the teacher control area. I use this to be able to switch between students' builds, and then at the same time, at the end of their builds, I'll be able to bring everyone up. Okay, so each of the builds that you can see in the back are numbered here, and I've used cloning functions to be able to switch between them. I also use them to write down, which students are in which build, which I find that really handy. Okay, I'm pretty sure I built in build 3. Let's have a look. There can be a bit of a lag when you're cloning stuff. There we go. So 65 blocks cloned. Fantastic. So I could switch to the next build where we know there's nothing there already. It'll go and put in nothing. There's also functions to reset all of these automatically, so you can, if you need to for any sort of reason, or back in the main sort of build area. I'm going to switch back here. Alright, and that should bring that back up. Look, while we're waiting, I've put in some different controls like a spawn, to teleport the spawn point, which you can do whatever you want, and changing game mode, killing all entities in case people are spawning lots of stuff they don't need, clearing inventories. Okay, and here's my PvP characters. So first one, if I click on this, it's going to get us ready for some PvP action. And you can see that will now teleport all the students into this area, and you can see I've put some bars up so people can't get in. The second one is going to give people weapons, and you can see now that there's our chosen weapons. Everyone's got those. This one allows people to, opens the things up. People can go and find a spot and start fighting. And this one here switches on PvP. Yeah, and then we're away. Now, as a teacher control, I pretty want to put myself back to creating at this point. Okay, so once everyone's done their build, you may want to export them as a 3D model. I've set up a structure block at the back here, and you can see I put deny blocks around here so people can't accidentally destroy it. And we've got it in there. Now you can slightly tweak these so it didn't have the border on the outside, and I could do that just by changing the size over here, putting it to 29, 29, and 30. Yeah, but you can see it. In fact, I might just do that. What if I do? Look at that. So if I just take that as 29, and I'll take this as 29, and this 29, maybe it's, and then I offset. Completely mucked that up. I'll just go back to 30 and 30 for the moment. And you're probably looking at this going, look, I can see exactly what he's done wrong. Anywho, there's my model, which I can export out through these functions and generate my 3D model and save it. Okay. Alright, so in a nutshell, there's my world. 10 different build areas where students can all be working simultaneously, and a build area where we can all come and look at each other's builds and even PvP battle in them. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this world works for you.